Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to say that I'm going to be reviewing the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner. This is the one that I wanted to try out before the Eyelure one, but because of everything going on, shipping took a little bit longer, but we have it now, and so I'm going to review it for you guys. I'll do first impressions, I'll do some check-ins, I have a couple styles that I'll show you guys. Before we get into it, if you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to do so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's do this! We can talk prices before we get into everything. I just have the Kiss website pulled up on my phone here. You can get this little kit, they have other styles too, that you can get with the eyeliner and the lashes for $16.99, or you can just get the liner for $9.99, and then they have individual lashes that you can buy ranging from $7.99 to $8.99. For the liner, you're just supposed to be able to apply it to the lid like a normal liner and then pop your lashes right on top of it, and they're supposed to stick to it like a magnet. And so I'm gonna try that. It says for maximum hold you can use 2 to 3 coats, but it says that you can use 1 coat, but we'll try both. So I'm gonna apply it like I normally would. I'm gonna shake it because there is a little shaker ball in there. I don't know if you're supposed to. So it does say to make sure to shake the bottle before use. So we're gonna give her a good shake, and then I'm gonna line my eyes. Get closer mirror just so I can make sure I'm doing a good application. First coat is on. So far, I already like it more than the Eyelure one, especially if it holds it. It's a lot thinner and a lot more like the consistency of a real liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna give myself a wing to see how easy it is to do that with this brush. Not my best wing, but I am kind of shaky right now. Trying to do it a little bit thicker towards the inner corner than I normally do because I want to make sure there's enough liner right there for the magnet to actually hold on to it. So this is the first coat of liner. It looks really matte, really black. I've used more expensive liquid liners that look worse than this. I think it looks good so far. I'll go in with a second coat on, let's see, I'll do a second coat on my right eye and we'll see how the strength compares between the two. First coat down though, it looks pretty good. Actually no, I'm gonna do a second coat on my left eye. I'm left-handed. Made a little bump, but that was my fault, not the liners. So this is the second coat. You can tell that it got a little bit thicker just because I had to do another coat, and that allows for more air. But I mean, I think it looks great. It might be a tiny bit more glossy than the singular coat side. Other than that, I think it looks like a pretty basic liner that I would try normally. Now I'm gonna try out the lashes and I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see the different styles. These are the Crowd Pleasers. Let's see which side is which. This one. And I'm just gonna go for it. Wait. That went on so much easier than the Eyelure one. That was so fast. Let's see if the other one goes on too. This is the singular side. So this one had 2 coats and it went on really easy. This one did take an extra second to go on, but Now that it's on, it looks fine. All right. So far, so good. These lashes are really pretty. They're really fluffy. They're huge. Oh, this one is coming up a little bit. Let's see if we can shimmy her into place. Okay, I think that was just because there was a bubble when I initially put them on. Okay, I like those ones. Let's try on another pair. I'm taking it off really carefully because I don't want the magnets on the lashes to lift up the liner, because that was an issue with the Eyeliner one. Okay, now I'm trying on the Style Lure. These ones are the ones that came with the kit that had the liner in it. Let's see. I think it's getting stuck on my lash. Yeah, my natural lashes have a little bit of the liner on them, and so it got stuck on that. There we go. Just needed a closer mirror. That went on pretty well. And next guy. That went on quick. You can see the lash band a little bit with these ones, so I might want to go over it. You can just see a little bit of the white more with it's a very delicate lash. Let's see if I can put on the last pair. Carefully taking them off. It hasn't lifted the liner yet. On the box it does say, let's look. It does say that you can freely swap between other Kiss lashes. So that's fun. If it does hold up like it is so far. Oh, I'll show you guys the style. These are the Tantalize Lashes, and these ones were $8.99, I believe. I think these are the ones I want to wear today. Oh my gosh, these are going on so easy. I want to fix that inner corner, but that's good. Wow, this is so fast. Oh, that inner corner's coming up again. I wonder if trying on the other lashes is pulling up some of the product. These ones also have a little bit thicker of a lash band. I think they're on. They look good. Yeah? Do a little ooh and ah of what they look like. They look good so far. That was really fast, and the fact that I was able to combine my liner step with the lashes. I didn't have to wait for the glue to dry. I guess I had to wait a second for the liner to dry. That wasn't anything crazy. I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of my L'Oreal Bambi Eye mascara right now, just to kind of mesh my natural lashes with these guys. Oh, that inner corner popped up again. Well, they don't last while you're putting mascara on. Maybe with these guys you just have to put mascara on first. It's good to know. I am going to reinforce the inner corners of both of these, and then I'll pop them back on and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I did end up making it a little bit thicker on the inner corners, and I decided to trim off a bit. Something you have to keep in mind that if you do trim off a bit, you have to trim it all the way up to the next magnet. Otherwise you're just gonna have kind of a free dangling lash on that inner corner or outer corner, depending on where you cut it from. I cut mine from the outer corner, but they fit my eyes a lot better now and they're not falling off anymore. I'm still wearing the Tantalize, and so I'm really liking them so far. They're really comfy now that I've cut them. They're not stabbing my inner corner anymore. They went on really fast once I cut them. There was no fidgeting, it just was pop, and yeah, I like them. I'll keep you guys updated and I'll let you guys know how they're wearing throughout the day. Hey guys, we're back. It is now 8:40 p.m. and I've been wearing these lashes for a few hours, and I have to say I'm really impressed. So right here in the very inner corner, it is lifting up a little bit, and it lifted the liner with it, but I also didn't do quite as good of a job applying this one. This one is fine. like absolutely fine. It's not lifting up anywhere, but this one, I didn't do quite as good of a job as angling it when I put it on, and I was just kind of done trying to mess with it, and so I left it, and I shouldn't have. I should have fixed it, but that's on me. I don't think that's the lashes' fault. I think the liner still looks pretty good. It got a little bit thick just because I did go over it again when I took off all the lashes and I put them back on and I tried on all the styles. And so I think that process of putting things on and off again kind of wore the liner down, and then when I tried to reapply it, it got a little crumbly, but I don't think that's the liner itself. I think that's just me layering things on and off again. But I'm really impressed with the lashes. I think they look great. I think this style is really pretty. It adds a lot, but it doesn't take away from the makeup itself. I want to, excuse my hand, I'm gonna take these lashes off. I'm curious. I have magnetic lashes from Eyeliner, and I want to see if they will stick to this liner. These ones, I think I would want to trim them because they are a little bit big for my eye. I'm curious if you could take, oh yeah. Let's see. It looks like you can just take any magnetic lash and put it on this liner. Oh, I love that. So if you have any other magnetic lashes from another brand that you like, I think they work on this liner, and this liner is only $10. It's a lot cheaper than any of the other ones that I've seen other than the Eyeliner one, and I wasn't a big fan of the Eyeliner one. And so it's awesome that Kiss has come out with these lashes because it gives us an affordable option instead of spending $80 on a magnetic liner and lash set. And so those are my final thoughts. I'm really impressed with these, and I'm excited to play with them more. Of course, if anything changes, I will keep you guys updated. If you want to see me wearing these lashes in more videos, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, I'm like halfway through taking off my makeup, and I realized I forgot to mention something that's like my favorite part about this lash system. Is that when you're taking off your makeup, you don't have to worry about eyelash glue pulling out your eyelashes because it's just liner. Sorry, my dog is... Stitch is going crazy with his ball. But stuff like this is awesome for people with really sensitive eyes because you don't have to worry about finding lash glue that's latex free or anything. And I'm just even more in love with it than I was 20 seconds ago. So there's that little extra excerpt from me. Have a good weekend. Goodbye. It's not going up on a weekend.